Sometimes it can be hard when open a first video to make an Amapiano beat and don't know where to start. This can be so frustrated. I have been there, but don't worry, I'll catch you covered. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through your first Amapiano instrumental. I will share with you my workflow. Hopefully, this can help you make better Amapiano beats. So let's have some fun. I am using drum from the Afrobeats Essential Bundle Volume 3, and the kit is Vuka. It's gonna be out soon. Let's see you go. And then. And then we start with this one. Just to make it sound different, is like you add another percussion here, and instead of starting with this one again, and then we do the same pattern, but we only change the first one. See, make it sound different and nice. That's it. We keep it like that. Let's see if we can find a kick. Go here. I'm gonna go with this one. Feel each 4 steps. It's a vibe already. I love it already. And let's add a shaker. Let me add this one. Now let me try to give you some explanation. With Amapiano for the drum, it always a call and response situation. You can see the first percussion will try to dictate you where to put the second one. Now I wanna add maybe some hi-hat. This is a bit too loud. Sound nice. And now we can add more hi-hat, because when you add open hat, it makes it sound different. Let's say, yeah. Let's try this instead of this. I think that sounds better. You try to experimenting, and then the thing that's work, you just keep it. I was on YouTube and see that I see to use this preset, and you sound really crazy. So since I have all the Arturia plugin, I'll just go and install it, and let's give it a try. Let's say we go to D. Let's use this right there. Sounds good. Okay, I want to combine this one with something in Flex. You know, Flex has a ton of crazy good new preset right now. So we are in the crescent. Let's say we'll go for a pad. just go and then go here. Let's see if we can pass up that. Okay, I think we'll go with this one. Oh, okay, now we add a bass. Let's say we use a preset from, let's go with the smoothie from morphine. Okay. As well. Ooh. It's like you play this same note, but in different order. This order is like the A is first, come first, and then G after. And this one you have G and then A. Okay, let me remove those, and then pattern 2, command V, and then we remove those here. Pattern 3, and then the bass is going to be pattern 4. Okay, we have it like that. And then pattern 2, and then pattern 4. Okay, let's go like that. Okay, let's say we start with the drum. I want some crash. So this one, I'll add some delay on this one real quick. You put an half. Okay. And then we'll have it. That's so nice. And then comment B. Let's see, we start with this right now. Now I want to create a melody. Let's go to preset. Let me use this Amapiano. Like I told you, you can find a bunch of good crazy preset in FL Studio 26. So let's go like. Okay, I think I'm good with this. Like something like that. Maybe a little longer. Okay, that's good. And then we duplicate it. When you come to this part right there, this is where you are going to do some major change in your drums. Let's say we add another pattern right here, and we add some snare that's gonna bring more vibe to the drum pattern that you already have. This is how you create more variation to your drums. Let's go here, and then there is a percussion that I had, a snare. This one, I think that's the one I wanna use. Okay. We can use another snare just to bring more energy to it. Maybe this one. P, go. Maybe we add this one instead. Right, nice. That's fine. That's fine. Maybe we can make it longer. That's how you usually do it. I'm going to consider this one as our drop. Let's call this one drop plus log drum. Yeah, I'm planning on creating a tutorial on the log drum. So for this video right there, this is where we're going to stop. Remember, you start with the call and response situation with the drums. You try to select percussion that's work together, that sounds good. And then after you vibing, trying to find melody, and any variation you add to the drum will make your beat sound better. That means take your time, have fun. That's the most important thing. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, leave a comment down below. Also, subscribe so you can see the video on the log drum that's gonna comes out next week. So yeah, see you in the next one.